Hi friends, welcome to YouTube Ambit. Today's video is going to be about NDT. You might be having a lot of questions about NDT. What is NDT actually? And where we can apply for jobs if we know NDT. And how to get an entry into the QC field. So these things I'm going to explain you today. So basically NDT is non-destructive testing, which is derived from destructive testing. So in mechanical engineering, two kinds of testings are there, destructive testing and non-destructive testing. So in destructive testing, we will be destroying the material, we will be changing its physical and mechanical properties, and we will be finding out the quality as well as the quantity. But whereas in other hand, the NDT gives you a clear picture about the quality. What is quality? If the material doesn't have any defect, then we consider it as having a good quality. So how we can assess the quality using these testing, I'm going to be telling you today. The NDT is having three levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Where the level 3 is higher level, who is a signing authority, who will be able to certify the level 1 and level 2 engineer. So this NDT is having total 13 methods, including today's invention. They have invented some more techniques, and totally it is coming around 13 methods. So in that, we are not going to use all the 13 methods, mainly 6 methods we are going to use it in the industry. So that 6 methods, what are those? One is ultrasonic testing, which is about using a sound energy and finding out the defects in the material. And then radiographic testing, where we use radiation or electromagnetic radiations like X radiations and gamma radiations, and we are going to find out the defects in the material. And in other hand, we are having magnetic particle testing, where we use magnetic field or magnetic energy, and we are applying on the material and we are finding out any defect is there or not. Then at last, the liquid penetrant testing. So the liquid penetrant testing is a very common thing which you can find in the industry, where we use a penetrant, which is a chemical, oil based chemical, and using that penetrant we are going to find out the surface defects only. So the other thing is, the next part of RT is RTFI, radiographic testing film interpretation. So this RTFI is having a separate post in the industry. So either you can work as a technician who can take shots, radiographic shots, or you can work it in the dark room to find out the defects in the film. So whatever the film is shot in the site will be taken to the dark room and it is processed. Then the RTFI engineer will be interpreting the defects which is found in the film, X-ray film. Then you have to make a report and you have to submit to the manager, and based on your report they will make a weld repairs. Okay, so the most important one first of all is visual testing. So visual testing is like, we will be thinking about like visual testing we are using with our naked eye, we are finding out the defects. Not only like that, we are also using some instruments like gauges, welding gauges, then we are using some boroscopes, endoscopes in the vessels. In boiler section we are using boroscopes, and so many like that, so many gauges are there. So we are using these instruments, optical instruments, and we are finding out the visible defects which we can able to see through a visible light. Okay, so these 6 methods are there in NDT, and I am going to explain you each method in a line. So friends, if you are a fresher, or if you are looking for a job in mechanical industry, or you want to build up your career in the quality sector, then I advise you to take up NDT. So NDT is the best way to start up your career in the quality section, especially if you want your job, if you want to work in boiler section, or if you want to work in pipeline sector, or if you want to work in structural fabrication, or you want to work in a shipyard. So wherever you want to start your job in the quality sector, then the best way to take up NDT. So friends, keep on supporting us. If you need any clarification or if you have further doubts, contact us. If you like this video, please share us and support us. Thank you.